Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to switch off the device. In order to turn off the device, you need to press the power key button here on the right side, on the up side of your device for a few seconds. But if you got some troubles, like in my case, you'll see the settings. You just should go to the settings application and scroll down here to the advanced features. Now just click here to the side key, and here you can see the press and hold section. Just switch the wake speed to the power off menu, and now when you press and hold your power key, here you'll see the power off icon. You just should click here on this power off icon and you'll turn off your device. But also you got the second way how you can do that. You just first should open the notification panel. And here you will see the power off icon. Just tap once on the icon and you will see also the power off menu. So here we got the two ways how you can just turn off your device. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.